Welcome to the Hindi tutorials. It's a pretty good evening in the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Clear skies and fortunately cleaner air. This is going to be a very important lesson for all of us, as today we will begin with reading and writing. ठीक है, तो start करते हैं. Hindi language is written in the Devanaagari script. Devanagari script is written from left to right, as in the case of most of the languages. Let's know something about the Devanagari script, though I won't go into deep linguistics. Point number 1. Devanagari is written hanging from the notebook line, unlike the most of the script used to write the Western languages, which rest over the line. Point number 2. Just as an extra information, the above line is called Shirorekha. Shirorekha. Point number 3. The pronunciation of previous alphabets or syllables doesn't change by addition of further alphabets or syllables. For example, in English, P-I-N is pin, but if I write an E after it, it becomes pine. This means the pronunciation of I has changed. But in Hindi, what's once written will be pronounced the same. Now we are ready for writing. ठीक है, start करें. The most basic sound is a short vowel. Now I'll write it for you. Write a 3, elongate at the lower end, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and finally the Shirorekha. Easy. ठीक है. Let's try once more. A 3, elongate the lower end, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and then the Shirorekha. This becomes the first vowel of Hindi, A. Next, the next sound is A. A is an elongated vowel. Okay, it's very similar to A. We just need to add one more vertical stroke and it becomes A. ठीक है? A. Now we will learn a couple of consonants. A consonant cannot be pronounced without a vowel. If I simply write N and tell you to pronounce it, it's difficult. But when I add a vowel after it, it's easier to pronounce, to hear, and to identify the sound. It's same in Hindi. In Hindi, every consonant has the A sound by default. I'm going to write the consonant N. ठीक है? This is N. It has two hidden parts, the consonant part and the vowel part. This means when I write this form, it is pronounced N. And if I add a vertical stroke after N, it becomes Na. In the same way as when I added a vertical stroke to A, it became A. ठीक है? न, ना, a, Now the next consonant is M. Let's have a look at it. This is M. And if I add a vertical stroke to it, it becomes Ma. Ma, Ma. So till now we have learned 6 forms. A, N, Na, Ma, Ma. Now we are ready to write words. We already know how to say my name is Jack in Hindi. Mera naam Jack hai. In this sentence, the word naam means name. Now we are going to write this word naam. We know that this is N. Now this becomes Na. If we add M to it, it becomes Naam. Now the obvious question that arises is, where did this go? Why is it pronounced Naam and not Naam? Actually, in spoken Hindi, whenever the sound comes in the last of the word, we don't pronounce it. Like Naam or Kam or Ram, we don't pronounce the last Okay. And since we don't pronounce it, we don't write it in the English transliteration too. We can make more words in the similar way. This is Ma, Ma, Mama, which means mom's brother. To show more respect, we address as Mama Ji. And when my mom's brother visits me, I greet him by saying Mama Ji Namaste or Namaste Mama Ji. ठीक है? Similarly, this is Na, and this is another Na, which makes it Nana. Nana means mom's dad, that is maternal grandfather. Okay, so Nana ji is mom's dad, Mama, Nana. ठीक है? Now using these 6 forms, we can make many words like Ma, Na, Man, Na, Ma, Nam, Ma, Na, Man, Na, Ma, Naam, Ma, Na, Mana. ठीक है? मन, नम, मान, नाम, मना. ठीक है? We learned 4 alphabets. ऐसी की तैसी. A, N, M. And we also learned writing simple words. The biggest benefit of learning to write is that you will be able to pronounce better. You will be able to differentiate between similar sounds, and therefore you will be able to speak better. Now just try writing these two words, and an, and comment below. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share the channel and the video with all your friends who want to learn Hindi. It was great teaching this lesson. In the next video, we will learn our first verb, to be. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, बाय बाय, फिर मिलेंगे.